Your iPad just showed you that dreaded storage almost full message. And now you can't take a photo, download an app, or even update iOS. Sound familiar? Don't panic. In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to free up gigabytes of space on your iPad in just a few minutes. No special tools, no tech degree required. Let's get right into it. First things first, let's see exactly what's hogging all your space. On your iPad, go to Settings, tap on General, and here tap on iPad Storage. This color coded bar is your best friend. It shows you exactly which categories, apps, photos, messages, system are using the most space. We're going to attack the biggest ones first. Photos and videos are almost the number one space killer on any iPad. Here's the fastest way to deal with them. Enable Optimize iPad Storage feature in iCloud Photos. To do this, open Settings, tap on your name from the top, then tap on iCloud, then tap on iCloud Photos, and select Optimize iPad Storage. This setting keeps full resolution photos in iCloud and stores smaller versions on your device. You will still see all your photos, they just won't take up as much local space. Next, delete duplicate photos from your iPad. To do this, open the Photos app. From the side pane, scroll down and under Utilities, tap on Duplicates. Here, you will see all the duplicate photos and videos stored on your iPad. You can tap on the Merge button to combine and delete extras. The good thing is, iOS finds duplicate photos on your iPad automatically and it's incredible. You might find dozens of duplicate shots just sitting there. Then from the side pane, tap on the Videos album. Here, find and delete anything that you have already backed up. A single 4K video can take between 500 MB to 1 GB or more. Getting rid of just 2 or 3 can make a big difference, especially when you're running low on storage. Here's one of my favorite tricks, offloading. This removes the app but keeps all your data, so if you ever want to reinstall it, everything comes back quickly. To turn it on, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, tap on App Store. On the App Store settings page, turn on the toggle for Offload Unused Apps. From now on, iPad will automatically remove unused apps but keep all their documents and data. You can also offload apps manually. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on iPad Storage. Here, from the list of apps, tap on the app that you want to offload. From the next page, tap on the Offload App option. As you can see, I just offloaded the Numbers app and got back over 500 MBs instantly. When offloading apps, look for games, editing apps, and anything you haven't opened in months. You can also delete apps you don't use to free up space. Let's be honest, you probably have apps you haven't opened in months. To delete them, open Settings, tap on General, then tap on iPad Storage. Here, scroll down to the list of apps, sort apps by size or last use date, and delete the apps that you no longer use. Next, let's take a look at messages. Messages are sneaky. Every photo, video, GIF, and voice memo sent through iMessage is stored locally. Let's clean that up. Open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on iPad Storage. Here, tap on Messages. Tap on Review Large Files and delete any files that you no longer need. Also enable auto delete old conversations. As you can see, I can easily gain 500 MBs by simply deleting messages, attachments, and old conversations. If you use apps like Netflix, Spotify, podcasts, or Apple Books, downloaded content can pile up fast. To delete downloaded content, go to Settings, tap on General, then tap on iPad Storage. Here, tap on the app with content and then swipe to delete downloaded files. You can do this for apps like Netflix, podcasts, and other video and audio apps. Also check your downloads folder in the Files app. You can do this by opening the Files app, tap on Downloads, and delete anything you no longer need like old PDFs, zip files, and documents. Your browser stores cache data, cookies, and history that can quickly take up hundreds of megabytes over time. You can get rid of it by opening Settings. Here, tap on Apps, then tap on Safari. Scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Select Date Range and confirm. This won't delete your bookmarks or save passwords, just temporary files that slow your device down. Also check Other Storage. You can do this by opening Settings, General, iPad Storage. Here, scroll down and look for System Data or Other. If it's above 5 GB, A full reset and restore can clear it, but this is only for advanced users. Make sure to back up your device before performing a full restore. That's it. If this guide helped you out, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel a lot. Drop a comment below telling me how much space you freed up. I would love to know. And subscribe if you haven't already. I post iPad tips, iOS tricks, and tech tutorials every day. Thanks for watching.